Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your OnePlus Nord 6. If you're using USB-C headphones, first clean the charging port at the bottom with a soft brush or air compressor to remove dust or debris. After cleaning, restart the phone by pressing power and volume up together, then swipe up to restart. If using a 3.5mm adapter, make sure it's an original or certified one, as cheap adapters can fail. As a last resort for wired headphones, update your phone software. Go to Settings, System and Update, Software Update, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it to avoid glitches. You can also reset all settings via backup and reset. Reset phone, reset all settings. For Bluetooth headphones, toggle Bluetooth off and on again. If they're already paired, unpair them by tapping the info icon and selecting Unpair, then re-enter pairing mode and pair again. Make sure your headphones are fully charged, as low battery can prevent connection. Avoid interference from other paired devices that might connect instead of your OnePlus. As a final step, reset network and Bluetooth settings. Go to System and Update Backup, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, enter your password, and confirm. This removes all paired devices and Wi-Fi networks, so you can repair everything fresh. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.